Hi, I'm Erica with MyCase. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to install and use the MyCase add-on for Gmail. The add-on lets you easily link emails and attachments to the appropriate case without leaving your inbox. That way, you and your firm members can access linked emails on a per-case basis with the case details page in MyCase. As you can see, I already have my Gmail open. To get started, click on the plus icon to access the Google Marketplace. Then, search for MyCase and click the MyCase tile and Install button. Once that is done, choose the account we want to connect with and click the Allow button. All that's left is to select Done. Next, we will open an email and click the MyCase icon. Then, click Connect to MyCase to enter your login credentials. Just so you know, the first time you access the add-on, you'll need to permit MyCase to access your email information. Once we're fully connected, we can start linking emails. Simply type the name of the case, lead, or contact to link the email to. Emails can be linked to one case or lead in the first search bar and multiple contacts in the second search bar. Future thread replies will be linked to this case or lead automatically, and you'll notice a Linked to MyCase label applied to the email so that you can quickly scan your inbox for conversations that have not yet been saved. After linking an email, we can save the attachments directly to MyCase. All we need to do is click Choose Attachments to save and add them to the Documents section of the case or lead. You can also add time entries directly from the add-on. To do this, select from your firm's existing list of billable activities and fill in the remaining fields. If you've set a default user or case billing rate, it will populate automatically. Finally, let me show you how to view emails in your MyCase account. Let's go to the Linked Emails section of the Communications tab for a case, lead, or contact. Then, click on an email to view the complete conversation or edit the case or contact links. Any changes made here will be reflected in your Gmail account as well. And there you have it. Centralize your client communication by installing the MyCase add-on for Gmail today. Thanks for choosing MyCase.